For a young lawyer, arguing in the Supreme Court is a daunting task, but Serka won't let go.
This was my baby, as it were, and I wanted to follow this all the way. And if I remember saying that if legal aid doesn't fund it, I'm going to do it on my own, because I thought it was a strong enough point. And it wasn't that it was a brilliant argument; it was just the correct argument.
The 9 justices hear Serka out. He tells them that Deborah Hutt was not pressing and persistent in her conversation with Barkley. That means she's not guilty. A lawyer for the BC government argues that if the soliciting law is given a narrow dictionary interpretation, the streets will be overrun with prostitutes. While the court deliberates in its private chambers, Serka heads back to his Vancouver practice.
But then it was time to wait to see what was going to happen, wait for the decision.
3 months later, the Supreme Court hands down its ruling on Regina versus Hutt. Unanimously, the 9 justices find Tony Serka, young legal aid lawyer, defender of prostitutes, absolutely right. Soliciting by a prostitute had to be pressing and persistent. Deborah Hutt had not been pressing and persistent. She was not guilty.